Hello guys, very good evening everyone. Um, Today we are going to discuss about a Spring Boot. Like yesterday in this Java series, so we are trying to build project on Java. So in the previous video we have learnt about let me show. In the previous video we have learnt about just 1 second, it's loading. The previous video we have learned about the product management. Yes, see. Yeah, in this video we have actually we have learned about the product management. Yes, uh, and today we are going to learn how to implement database like implementing PostgreSQL and Spring and also Spring Boot. So in this project, so see, so now today in this video we have to implement the Spring Boot. So yes, for this one, what we have to do, the first thing is we have to create a new project, and we have to copy this same the main product and product service files. Yes, so the main file same like as the previous one, and also the product file and also the product service file. So in this product service file we are having some of the minor changes. Yes, now today we'll do everything. So first of all, what we have to do this, so we have to uh, second, yeah. Now today we have to add a framework, that is Maven. Yeah, actually I have added that one. See, you can see that Maven has been added. Maven has been added, and if you are not having that this, so after adding this Maven, so some of the members may not have this Maven. So for this one, we have to go to the mvnrepository.com. This one, search for the PostgreSQL JDBC driver. So copy this, and you have to go to the pom.xml. So in this one you have to paste this one under the dependents. Yes, for us it is directly having, so there is no need of adding. So let me explain now what we are going to do. So let me walk you through the pg admin, like it's a Postgres admin tab. Yes, so this is the PG admin tab. So in this one, we have to connect our PG Portuguese database to our project. Yes, it is asking to enter the password. So that is 123456. So what is this? 123456. Yeah. Now now we have to again we have to enter the password 123456, and in the databases I have created product inventory, and also in the we have to go to the schemas, and schemas we have the tables. Yeah, see, that is a product, and we have to open the query tool, and I am giving a query as select star from product. Let me run this one. So it will print all the values in the table, all the values in the table. Yes, all the values in the table has been printed here. See guys, how I have printed this, how I have created the table is create table product of id. A serial means it has to be auto incremented, and this is the primary key. Name text, then that is text, type that is text, place also text, and warranty that is of integer. Yes, yes guys. So for by using this command. Let me check. So Spring and yeah, by using this command that is of product db is equals to new product. Yes, we have to initialize all the logic here in this product db, and here only we are connecting our uh, database, like connection is equals to driver manager dot get connection. So if we guys implement uh, get this all the driver like Maven Postgres drivers only, this connection will be enabled for us. So then we have to enter the URL that is of localhost 5432 product inventory as is our database name. User is Postgres and password is 123456, and and finally, so yes, actually our database is completely connected. So here I'm writing a logic that is a db dot save, like to add the products db dot save. See, we have to write a query that is insert into product, that is a name, type, place, warranty. So the values we don't know, that's why we are giving as a question mark. And from the and we have to create a prepared statement that is of st dot set. First we have to set, and then we have to get st dot set string of 1 comma p dot get name similarly for that one. And also finally we have to execute. So this will return into product dot service, and this will return into main dot java. Yes, see. Get it has written all the products. So that are aware. So this one we are showing. One second. Yeah, previously I have shown now the database. So in the database, all the things are available. The second thing is public list of products. Get all the products. So in this one, we are having something like a get all. Yeah, using this function, we can get all the products. So with this get all, we have to find the logic. That is the it have been written here. First, this is a list of product, so there is no need of 1 second. 456. Also in the servers, yeah, the product query tool. Yeah, you can see the. Let me copy this, paste again here, then run. So you can see that all the 15 has been written here. So similarly we have to copy everything from the upside, and we have to write a new query that is select name comma type comma place comma warranty from the product, and and we have to and we have to return everything like products in the products list, products dot add dot p. So this will go here and this will go here, and then yeah, see here like products service dot get all products. So it is returning, yes, the exactly it is returning there. So this is how we'll connect our database, our data. Similarly we can do for this one everything using this db. So let me actually the main purpose of this video is to show the Spring Boot, to show the connection of Spring Boot with the PostgreSQL, and finally doing our project with the minimal steps. So let me show that one also. That will be very nice. Yeah, see here. So for this one, what actually we have to do is, so we have to go to the Spring Initializer, go to the Maven, and also same thing. I'm entering as a Telescope, and demo is the product Spring, and we have to add the dependencies like Portuguese, Portuguese driver, and also data GPA. So today I will show what is the power of this data GPA. So once you generate this one, so and zip file will be generated. Actually, I have the zip file. So that zip file we have to add here. So let me show. Yeah, see here all these .com telescope, like dot telescope, everything has been added here, like a spring framework, boot spring framework, and also Postgres, and also data GPA repository has been added. Now all the things, all the necessary framework we have implemented. So now let me go to the product. Yeah, product is similarly as the thing, and let me show here how to connect this database. The simple thing is, so we have to write this one like a public interface product DB which extends JPA repository which takes product and the primary key as integer. That's it, guys. Everything is added. So now, and also we have to go to the applications, the properties, and here we have to mention all the connections like a spring.data source, that URL same like in the previous session we have to import, and also spring.data source, that username we have to give the Postgres, and spring.data source the product we have to give as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes. Now what we have to do is, now what I'm getting is, what I have to do is, I have to create the extents. See, product service. So here you are seeing that something like context is there. Yes. So the main thing, the main important one from the Spring Boot is, so it is like it is acting like a container, and everything will be stored in this like a objects in that container. All the objects will be stored like in the context. We have to retrieve from that one. Similarly, the exactly thing what we are doing is application context. We are creating a context, and in that one for product service, that service is equals to context dot get bean of the product service dot class. We are extracting that class objects. So, and also for that one, here we have to add service or component. So anything we can add. So in order to retrieve, yes, in order to retrieve we have to add that one. And the first one is list of product service dot get all the products. So guys, see here product DB. So we have to initialize this one DB, that is auto wire, that is auto generated from the database. See, public list of products, get all the products, return find all. So this is the simple code which allows this Spring Boot to do. Yeah, let me show guys how difficult this was in the case of uh, in the case of normal Java. See, we have to write this much of code to in order to get all the products. But here the single line we are getting. Similarly for the fixing get product. So here what we have written is of a bigger, like it is a somehow like more than 10 lines. So here what we are doing is db dot find all. Yes, finding all, which, so now we are using a stream. Why? Because in this stream API, as I have explained in the previous video, the stream API has all the type of filters and also the function and the reduce, sorting, everything functions. So it also helps to decrease the number of lines, and also it gives the efficiency of code. Yes, using the stream filter p, we are given the lambda expression here. P dot get name equals ignore case is a like ignore, it is a case sensitive of name. Find, first of all find, or else provide the null. So if this name, if the name which we are giving from this user input, like that is of type C, with having the type C, so return that one, return that. If it is not having null, please equal. So if it is not having, return as null. Yes, exactly. The second thing is get product text like so from a given text, search from all these like type and also some of the place and name. Yes, from that one type and also place. Yeah. Yes. Now similarly, I'm bringing this text to the lower case, and the thing is find all stream filter p dot filter p tends to p dot get name. Same I'm doing with the lower case. Similarly, type to lower case, that to lower case, and if it is contains dot collectors dot to list. So we are combining, we are collecting all the to list that is a to list of product. I'm storing everything, and this will be returned. Similarly, get products by place as same as the thing, converting logics and containing, and same out of for products with out of warranty integer. I'm giving a cutoff of 2023. Yes, total 2023 return db dot find all same stream filter if it is less than cutoff age, sorry, year. So bring them to the collect list to the to list, and this provides the output. Yes, see guys, so we can see the output here. Yeah, so it is running successfully. Yeah, see here, we are getting all the things, all the output same as the previous case what we have done, all the things same as previously what we have done. Yes, this is all about this uh, Spring Boot tutorial. Like this is the assignment we have solved. So if you want the complete code, so of this Spring Boot and the Portuguese SQL session, so you can click on this website, and you can get everything. Like in the go to the src and go to this main file. So I think so my internet connection was slower. Yeah, so go to the main and also Java. Yeah, now, oh, yeah, go to the main Java, and yeah, see all the four things we have got, and similarly we can go for this uh, for the normal without this of the console based, this for the console based, and this for the like Spring Boot and the Portuguese SQL. So that's all for today guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.